status of IIIT Nagpur as on date on both academic as well as infrastructural front. So last year we started 4 new programs, namely BTech CSE in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, BTech CSE in Data Science and Analytics, BTech CSE with specialization in Human-Computer Interaction and Gaming, and BTech Electronics and Communication Engineering with specialization in Internet of Things. And we already had PhD courses in Computer Science and Electronics Engineering, postgraduate diploma in Information and Communication Technology. We are running jointly with Military College of Telecommunication Engineering, Mahu, with provision for MTech for military officers deputed for undergoing training programs of the level of graduate engineering equipment orientation course. This is a joint program. So current status of IIIT Pune is, as on date, we are having 114 PhD scholars enrolled with us or registered with us, 65 students enrolled for MTech program, 51 for PG diploma, BTech Computer Science and Engineering, 831 students, BTech Computer Science and Engineering with specialization in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, 124 students, BTech Computer Science and Engineering with specialization in Human-Computer Interaction, 123 students, BTech Computer Science and Engineering with Data Science and Analysis as specialization, 123 students, BTech Electronics and Communication Engineering, 478 students, and BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering with Internet of Things, 117 students. So total student strength as on date, enrolled student strength is 2026. So we already crossed 2000, and next year we will definitely cross 2500. And in this convocation, as already told, we will be conferring total 324 degrees and diplomas, 1 Institute Academic Excellence Award and 2 awards of merit. Coming to the placement status for this year, 166 companies visited IIIT Nagpur. Of course, not in physical mode always, in online mode also, so included. And some of the top recruiters are Grow, Alpha Grape, American Express, Kickdrum, JustPay, Rakuten, TCS, etc. Out of total 151 students who registered for placement for 2022-23 batch, 134 students have been already placed. So percentage-wise, this comes out to be 89% placement. The highest annual package offered to the IIIT Nagpur student is Rs 90 lakhs per annum. And if we calculate the average for this batch, it comes out to be 14 lakhs per annum. So on placement front also, we are doing well. Coming to the infrastructure development, we started operating from our permanent campus from April 2021. But with the increase in intake, we need additional infrastructure to be developed. So we are already planned for an academic block and an additional hostel, and we already started working on it, and we are hoping that from next year the actual construction will take up for additional academic block and additional hostel block. So additional hostel block will be of similar capacity, so we'll be in a position to accommodate almost equal number of students, and academic block will also be a replica of an existing academic block. With those 2 blocks, some external development also work will be taking, and then we will have adequate infrastructure in place. So this is all about the current status of IIIT Nagpur. Research funding to the tune of 1.7 crores from various research funding agencies. Our faculty has published good number of research papers, 200 research articles in journal, conference, book chapters till date. 2 patents have been granted, 4 published and 2 filled. Last year, we have organized this Yuva Sangam initiative under Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat by hosting Manipur students, and in fact, it was the first batch of this Yuva Sangam program which we have hosted, and the students from Maharashtra also visited Manipur. Then we participated on the various events with ministries asking us to participate, which includes Life 1.0, which is lifestyle for environment. We organize Hindi Pakwara, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. And as on date, out of roughly that 114 research scholars, more than 20 scholars are from industry. And in this convocation, we'll be conferring our first PhD on an industry personnel who has recently completed this PhD, who registered in the first batch. Keeping in mind our commitment for protection of the environment, the Institute, with the help of SCL Foundation and AROA, has planted more than 10,000 trees on the campus. And I think 2-3 years down the line, we will have a very good green cover on the campus. It was a barren land, and therefore it was mandatory for us to develop a green cover on the campus. So this all from my side. ये कंप्यूटर साइंस का जो बच्चा है अमन वर्मा, उसको अवार्ड मिल रहा। और हमारे पास अभी 2 डिसिप्लिन है जिसके बच्चे पास आउट हो रहे। ये 4 तो नए प्रोग्राम है जिसके बच्चे 2 साल बाद फाइनल ईयर में आएंगे, तो तब हमको ये नंबर ऑफ मेरिट अवार्ड बढ़ाने पड़ेंगे। आज के डेट में 2 ही है। तो एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन इस ब्रांच से जो सबसे ज्यादा CGPA मिला उसको मिलता है, तो पवन कुमार है। और ये बच्चा CSE का जिसको इंस्टीट्यूट अवार्ड मिल रहा है वही कंप्यूटर साइंस का सबसे टॉपर है, तो उसको CSE का मेरिट अवार्ड मिलेगा। वैसे 3 अवार्ड हम देते हैं। तो ये अवार्ड का है बेसिकली एक साइटेशन है, प्लस 51,000 इंस्टीट्यूट अवार्ड के लिए, 21,000 प्लस सर्टिफिकेट इज ब्रांच अवार्ड के लिए।
CSE ही अशा ब्रांचेस झाल्या आहेत ज्याच्यामध्ये दोन्ही एक्सपर्टाईज मिळतात, त्यामुळे मुलांचं इन्क्लिनेशन CS कडे जरी असलं तरी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स घेतलं तरी ते IT सेक्टरमध्ये प्लॅन करू शकतात।
यामध्ये जे हायेस्ट पॅकेज आहे सीज फ्रॉम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स डिपार्टमेंट,
आणि ती IT ला दिली आहे। 90चं पॅकेज तिला मिळालं, पण ती EC ची आहे। पिछले 1 साल से हमने लगभग 600 लोगों को आई गेस ट्रेन भी किया है। उसमें साइबर सिक्योरिटी और बैंकिंग सिक्योरिटीज के जो ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं इंस्टीट्यूट ने कंडक्ट किया।